some parents, we've been described as a lifeline. Parents have said they did not know what they would have done in the holidays without this support. It's meant that they can do other things. They can support their other children and give some like focus there. They also know that their children really enjoy coming to the things to the scheme, so they've not had to worry about the children becoming upset or dysregulated. Um, Children have told us that they're really enjoying it. They love coming in and seeing familiar adults and taking part in the activities that way. So the impact has really been that they have, it's just provided opportunities for safe, enjoyable space for our pupils to take part. And also, I think for our parents, it's meant that they can trust us. They know it's in a place where the children are familiar, the site is safe, and they can go away and take part in other things without any worry.